Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. Today I'm bringing you a beginner's guide to Nugget. And if you're already using Nugget, I'll also show you how to fix the failed to restore issue later in the video. With Nugget, you can do things on your iPhone that normally wouldn't be possible, making your device far more customizable. It can even run on iOS 26 without requiring Jailbreak. For example, the iPhone 16 I'm holding here. Using Nugget, I completely removed the liquid glass visual rendering effects. All the liquid glass style UI elements are gone. So if you're thinking about upgrading to the latest iOS but worried that the liquid glass effects might slow down your iPhone, this tool can really help. Another thing I've done with Nugget is enable custom dynamic wallpapers on several iPhones. They look incredibly cool, and I'll show you how to set that up later. Before we start, here are a couple of things you should know. First, the device requirements. You'll need an iPhone running iOS 17 or later, and a computer, either Mac or Windows, will work. In this tutorial, I'll be using Windows to demonstrate how to use Nugget. Quick reminder, even though this tool gives you a lot more control over your iPhone, it's always safer to create a backup first. You can back up your device using iTunes or tools like Reboot. Alright, let's get started. First, click the Nugget download link in the video description. It will take you to the GitHub page. Find the latest release, scroll down, and download the version that matches your computer system. Once it's downloaded, extract the file. Before you start, make sure Find My on your iPhone is turned off. Don't worry, you can turn it back on after installing the wallpapers. If Find My's grayed out and you can't turn it off. Here's how to fix it. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode, tap it, then turn off Stolen Device Protection. After that, you'll be able to disable Find My normally. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once that's done, open Nugget. It should automatically detect your iPhone model and iOS version. On the sidebar, first I'd like to introduce the poster board. Then tap Find Wallpapers. It'll take you to the Live Wallpapers page, and there are a lot of themes. Just pick any one you like and download it. I'll grab a random one here for the demo. Let's pick the first one, the black hole theme, and download it. Go back to Nugget, tap Import Files, and select the wallpaper you just downloaded. You can add multiple wallpapers, but you can only install up to 3 at a time. Now hit Apply on the sidebar, then click Apply Change. Your iPhone will restart and take a moment to load the new settings. Once it's back on, long press your home screen, tap to add a new wallpaper, scroll all the way down to Collections, and swipe to the right. You should see the theme you downloaded. And there you go, enjoy your new live wallpapers. They look fantastic on the iPhone. Honestly, the animations look way better than I expected. If you want to delete any wallpaper, just swipe up to remove it. Super easy. Nugget will probably drop even more cool live wallpapers in the future, so definitely keep an eye on it. Next, how to use Nugget to disable liquid glass. This is actually one of the biggest highlights of this tool. First, you need to get the MobileGestalt file that identifies your iPhone. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Now you're ready to use the link in the video description to download the Save MobileGestalt shortcut. Once it finishes loading, tap the button that says Click Here. Then choose File and tap it. Next, select NS-String. You'll now see a long list of PLT codes. Press and hold on the screen, tap Select All, and copy everything. A save window will pop up. Pick a location that's easy to find, tap Open, and the file will be saved. Next, open the Files app and find the plist file you just saved. Then share it to your computer using AirDrop, email, WeChat, whatever method you prefer. Once the file is successfully sent to your computer, you're ready for the next step. Then open Nugget. Go to the sidebar in Nugget and click Miscellaneous. Then click Liquid Glass and enable all the options. Next, still in the sidebar, click Apply, then click Choose Gestalt File and select the plist file you just transferred from your iPhone to your PC. Finally, click Apply again and your iPhone will automatically restart. After your iPhone restarts, you'll notice that liquid glass is gone, your lock screen, status bar, all of it has no more effects. Don't worry, your iOS version hasn't changed. The best part? With liquid glass turned off, your iPhone no longer needs to render themes in real time, so you'll see big improvements in battery life, heat control, and overall performance. I've gotta say, the person who made this software is an absolute genius. If you want to turn it back on, it's super easy. Just go back to Nugget, tap Remove Tweaks at the bottom, then choose Internal. It takes a few minutes, and once your iPhone restarts, liquid glass will be back. After turning off the real-time rendering effects of liquid glass, you'll notice a huge improvement in your phone's performance and battery life. It's a total game changer. MobileGestalt. Inside, you'll find many of Nugget's core features. For example, you can enable Dynamic Island, turn on Liquid Glass Low Performance Mode, turn on AOD, enable Apple Pencil settings. You can simply select the features you want to enable. However, the MobileGestalt process has a fairly high failure rate. I suspect it's related to the Books app container, which sometimes causes connection issues. But don't worry, the fix is simple. In Nugget, go to Settings, then change Book Restore Apply method from AFC to Restore. After that, delete the string of letters and numbers under Books container UUID. This should completely fix the failed to restore issue. Once you've selected the features you want, import the Gestalt file and click Apply. Your iPhone will automatically restart, and Nugget will show when the process is successful. At this point, the feature files have already been installed on your iPhone. After rebooting, you might not see changes immediately. Just give it some time. The iPhone's iTunes storage service will automatically download the required components. This may take around 30 minutes. After another restart, the features should be applied. For example, I enabled Dynamic Island on my iPhone 13. And you'll also see an Apple Pencil tab in Settings, although it doesn't actually function. Alright, the rest of the features are for you to explore. If you run into problems after using Nugget, such as data loss, iPhone freezing, or no response, don't worry, there's still a fix. You can use Reboot's standard repair. It repairs the iOS firmware package and restores your iPhone to normal. Honestly, I once recovered my iPhone from a complete brick using this tool. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.